Welcome to the question lab. Questions on important days related to the birds. Part 15. There are 10 multiple choice questions on important days related to the birds. Examine yourself. Let's see how many answers do you know. Question number 1. When is World Sparrow Day? The options are the correct answer is option number 1, 20th March. Question number 2. When is World Parrot Day? And the options are the correct answer is option number 3, 31st May. Question number 3. When is International Pigeon Day? And the options are the correct answer is option number 4, 13th June. Question number 4. When is World Eagle Day? And the options are the correct answer is option number 2, 18th March. Question number 5. When is International Owl Awareness Day? The options are the correct answer is option number 4, 4th August. Question number 6. When is World Penguin Day? The options are the correct answer is option number 1, 25th April. Question number 7. When is Crow and Raven Appreciation Day? The options are the correct answer is option number 3, 27th April. Question number 8. When is International Flamingo Day? The options are the correct answer is option number 2, 26th April. Question number 9. When is World Ostrich Day? The options are and the correct answer is option number 1, 2nd February. And the last question, question number 10. When is Save the Eagles Day? The options are the correct answer is option number 4, 10th January. Don't forget to comment how many answers did you get right. Do like, share, subscribe. Remember, the secret of your future is hidden in your daily routines. Thanks for watching.